Today I'm just going to be doing a really simple, easy swipe. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding my magic ingredient of 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors is mixed in my typical swipe ratio of the 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. All the paint colors, ratios and supplies will also be listed in the description box, so you can find all the details there. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paints already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. I really like this color combo, and I like how the cells turned out. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope you have a really great start to your new year.